The whole point of the 9 to 5 is to turn it into a business. The whole point of working and sacrificing all of your time to get a check is to eventually flip that check and make it, you know what I'm saying, something more profitable. Taking the money that you make and investing into something that you can flip it. You know what I'm saying? Investing into your own business, growing something bigger. Working at McDonald's all your life ain't the answer. No matter how many hours, no matter how much, you know what I'm saying? Like, working for any store or pretty much any company, it kind of puts you in a circle of, you know what I'm saying, I'm sacrificing my time for this check. And then if you get off of work, and the first thing you do when you go home is sleep, and you're not putting no time into building something bigger than just that 9 to 5 you going to, it's never going to do nothing. You're going to be stagnant, because the bread you bringing in from the 9 to 5 is basically only used to cover bills, you know, and things like that, and or you know, your regular life expenses, but you're not bringing in nothing else to compound that bread. You know what I'm saying? You got to get the money that you got coming in and invest it towards things that can make you more money. You know what I'm saying? That's the whole point of the 9 to 5. Like, and it's hard sometimes. Sometimes you need 2 9 to 5s. Sometimes you need a 7 to 4 and a 4:30 to 12, 4:30 to 11, something like. Yeah, and I'm talking to you, man. Like, we got to be able to work hard to get to the places that we really want to go. So yeah, that means working 15, 16, 17 hour days, turn it around, do it again, turn around, do it again, and then also being able to find an hour or 2 a day in between that time to put into our own business and to put into building ourselves. Don't forget, you still got to work out, you still got to eat right, you got to make sure that you got everything lined up. You know what I'm saying? Meal prep is really important for me. Meal prep is so important for me. Today is Sunday, so today I'm meal prepping, right? Today I'm meal prepping for the whole week, because I know during the week I don't have time to cook this, cook that. But I still gotta make sure I keep my weight up. I still gotta make sure I'm eating. You know what I'm saying? So if I'm meal prepped and I'm ready, that saves me a lot of time. That, all right, I'm ready to grab something, go to work. I'm ready to I already got this at work. All right, get home tonight, I already got something prepared to eat. I can just zap it and be like, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? I'm fed. You know what I'm saying? You got to think ahead of things. You got to think the smartest. You got to think in ways that could benefit you the best. You know what I'm saying? You got to think this way so that you can step up to the next level, right? Because thinking in ways that'll keep you in that 9 to 5 rat race, that cycle, like, yeah, you take your check. If you take your extra bread on your check and you going out, cooked. Cooked. You cooked. Because when you spend that bread and you get, oh man, I ain't got, what happened? I ain't, can I get some overtime? No. You feel me? Like, that's what you're gonna be looking for, because you spent the extra bread you had. You're supposed to save it and flip it or invest it. You know what I'm saying? And you gotta be smart with these things. There's so many avenues now. There's so many different avenues to get money, to build your own business. Like, I know, I'm not saying, once again, let me repeat this. It's going to take hard work. It's going to take hard work. You ain't going to get nothing without hard work, and you don't deserve it without having to work hard. That's what it is. That's what life said. You know what I'm saying? It ain't my rules. That's just how it go. If I know, hey, this one check ain't enough for me to survive and for me to take care of my family, I gotta go get another check. You know what I'm saying? And if my family need me, then I can't do too much illegal to get the check, because if my family lose me, then you know what I'm saying? So we gotta be smart. You know what I'm saying? We gotta be able to stand on all 10 and be able to think on all 10. You feel me? If you get that, You know what I'm saying? You got to be able to put your mind to it and be able to build a business and be able to build something more than just what the 9 to 5 can give you. Even if you ain't building a business, attach yourself to something more profitable. Find independent companies that need somebody with your skill set. Maybe try to attach yourself to them. Learn new skills. You know what I'm saying? Learning new skills is very important because learning new skills can open up more opportunities for you. So you definitely want to be able to learn new skills. You want to be open-minded. You might be in a company working a 9 to 5 and some opportunity might be there and you don't even know it because you're just not talking. You know what I'm saying? You're not letting people know what other skills you have. Keep your eye out. You know what I'm saying? Opportunity not just going to knock on your front door. That's not just how it go. That's not how it go. The opportunity knocks on your front door when you apply yourself. You dig what I'm saying? That opportunity knocks when you applying yourself. When you putting yourself out there and you actually doing the work, right? When you actually applying yourself and doing the work, people can see it. The energy gonna bounce back to you. That's just how it go. You know what I'm saying? And you can't get discouraged. You can't get discouraged, man. You cannot get discouraged because there's so many ups and downs with this thing, man. You gotta keep tunnel vision and you gotta stay focused. You have to stay focused, right? Because the moment that you let your foot off the gas, that build back up that you're gonna have to circle back on, that is going to be a pain. And it's basically you starting from zero again. So why not just put the work in now? So that you don't gotta regret it in 10, 5, 15, 20 years. You know what I'm saying? Put the work in now. Like, I'm sure a lot of us, including myself, you know what I'm saying, waste time. Wasted a lot of time. You know what I'm saying? Like, when I speak on these YouTubes, I speak out of experience. I speak from experience. Like, I don't speak about nothing I don't got experience with. You know what I'm saying? Or I haven't been through myself. Like I said, I'm trying to inspire y'all to inspire myself as well. And I love to be inspired by people. So once again, drop some vibes in the comments. Let me know how y'all feeling and let me know some insight that y'all got. And I'll take notes from y'all too. Always be a student. Always be a student. I'm always a student. You know what I'm saying? There's always something to learn. I can teach, but I can learn more than I can teach. And I promise that. I promise that. And that's for all y'all. Yeah, I know we know so much. We've been through this and been through that, and come on, man. If you know so much, why you still broke? Man, this brain cycle.